In this video, I'm going to be asking you a question on what do I need to borrow money from Fairmoney app. So now let's say, for example, you are interested in borrow money from Fairmoney app. All you just have to do is to connect your BVN from the onset. Connect your BVN, run your Face ID, and also connect your ID card if they requested for that. So once you do these three, make sure you don't borrow money from any other platform that you haven't paid. So if you do, go and pay back the money before you apply for fair money loan, because if you don't pay back, you won't be able to get qualified to borrow money on the fair money app. So once you notice that you didn't borrow any money from any of for other loan apps, or maybe if you borrowed, you already pay back, then the next thing you're gonna do after submitting your BVN, your Face ID, and your ID card, the next thing you're gonna do is to swipe left on this Fair Money app. Then you can see no active loans on your own account as well. So just click on take a loan. Then it's gonna take you to a page where you can get started to apply for a loan on Fair Money app. So you can see how much you need, what's your monthly income, and they're gonna ask for your email as well. So once you put in all these, then you can click on next down below. Then you'll be able to proceed on to the next one, and at the end they're gonna do some background check on the information you provided, and then if they actually okay with it, then they're gonna disburse a loan directly to your bank account. And if of course the amount you requested for is too much to what they can actually loan you, they're gonna tell you that you are not qualified for this exact amount. But if you would like to borrow lesser, you can actually get up to this so amount on their loan app, and from there, if you're okay with it, you'll be able to borrow money from the Fair Money app.